In the previous video, I gave you a brief explanation of what a litre is. So now it's your turn to have a go. Given that 1 litre equals this, suppose I have 374 milliliters. Okay, convert this into liters. Okay, so convert 374 into liters. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, well, at the moment we've got 1 litre equals 1,000 milliliters. So now we've got this many milliliters. So this exists on the right hand side here. We need to know x. So ultimately we would want to start at 1 and then jump into the x. We need that multiplier. We need that multiplier. Well, this multiplier here will be the same as this multiplier over here. So the multiplier would be the destination, always the destination, 374 divided by the start here, which is 1,000. Okay, so this here is our multiplier. So this multiplier over here is 374 divided by 1,000. So you would get this times the multiplier. That would be the x. So just get the 1 times that, which happens to be which will be 374 divided by 1,000. Well, at the moment 374, the decimal will be here. We need to move it 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal place will be here. Okay, so get rid of this. So you have 0 here. So it's actually 0. So x here would be 0.374 liters. Okay, so 374 milliliters equals this many, well, 0.374 liters. Okay, next question here. Suppose I have 7.2 liters. Okay, now convert this into milliliters. So press pause and have a go. Well, you might want to start by summarizing this. You don't have to. There are other quicker ways. Well, anyway, do whichever way you want here. So here we want to know x. Ultimately, we want to jump from here into the x. We need this multiplier here. Well, that multiplier is the same as this multiplier here. Again, the multiplier will be the destination here, always the destination, 7.2 divided by the original, which is divided by 1. So this is our multiplier here. Well, that's the same as this over here, divided by 1. So this is our multiplier. So if you want to know what x is, get 1,000 times this multiplier, which, by the way, is 7.2. 7.2. So the answer would be 7200. Okay. But basically, you just need to times it by, well, develop your own technique. Okay. Next question here. I'm going to give you an additional piece of information. Okay, hang on. So now 1 gallon equals 4.546 liters, and 1 liter equals blah blah blah. Okay, now suppose we have, hang on, suppose we have 3.7. Hang on, let me write this again. 3.7 gallons. Now convert this into milliliters. Okay, so convert this into milliliters. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so we would start at gallon and then somehow get to liters. So let's start by summarizing this. So 1 gallon equals 4.546. Now we've been given this many gallons, so this will be on the left hand side. So 3.7, and then we want to know x. So ultimately we would start here and then want to jump into the x. We need a multiplier. Well, that multiplier will be the same as this multiplier over here. So basically this here we would times it by 3.7. Therefore our multiplier would be 3.7. So if you want to know what x is, whatever this number is, times it by 3.7. So hang on, calculator. So it would be 4.546 times 3.7 equals this. hang on, 16.8202. Okay, so now we've got this. Now this here is our liters. Okay, so now let's extract this bit here. Let's so at the moment we've got 16 point blah 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 liters. So hang on. So hang on. So hang on. Let me just clear this up. My pen's not working properly. So 1 liter, okay, equals 1,000 milliliters. Now we've got 16 something liters. So 16.8202 will be on the left hand side, and we want to know milliliters. Okay, so ultimately we want to start here and then jump into here. We need a multiplier. Well, the multiplier will be this. Our multiplier over here would be 16.8 blah 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 over here. So our multiplier here would be the same, 16.820 this. So we need to get this times this. Okay, so when we times 1,000, we just move the decimal to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3. So the decimal will be right here, the new decimal. So let me just get rid of this. So the decimal's there. So x equals this, equals 161680.2 milliliters. Okay, so this here will be our answer here. Given that if 3.7 gallons would equal this. Okay,